I am Mr. Sahadev Bobati. I am native of North Canara district, Haliyar Taluka. Basically, I am MSc LLB. After my retirement, I have registered myself in the Bar Association, Bangalore and Belgaum. I used to attend the court also, and I was giving the legal advisors free of cost to my friends, relatives and the poor people. I will not charge for the legal matters. I was a yoga person. Actually, I was doing yoga during my service and in the earlier of my life also. Suddenly, in the year 2010 to 11, there was a loss of my hearing in the right side. My daughter is a doctor and son-in-law is also a doctor. They were working in Mysore. I was taken to some hearing aid. I was given a very costly hearing aid also. I've used the hearing aid for 4-5 years, but that was not of use. And in the meanwhile, I lost the right ear hearing completely. It was totally dead. During that period, I came to depression. I have spent so many sleepless nights. I was getting afraid of losing the left ear also and getting what to do in the future of my life, social life. I was having so many friend circle, so many clients and all that. I have spent so many sleepless nights during the loss of my hearing. Thereafter, my daughter and son-in-law has given me the address of the Aster Hospital and Dr. Rohit Prasad, who has returned from Australia with the implant of Cochlear implant. He is a specialist, I was told. I did not believe. I have taken nearly 6 months to go for the surgery. I was not believing about the implant working and all that. I have consulted 2-3 senior doctors in Bangalore also. They were advised me. They told me that it is going to be a successful operation, and I may get the hearing in the original state. I was advised like this. And after 6 to 7 months in consultation with the doctors and the public, I was given some addresses also. We have undergone the implant surgeries in the Aster Hospital. One from Madhya Pradesh and other person. Some phones were given to me. I have contacted them and I have corrected their experience also. Thereafter, I have decided to undergo the implant operation under the surgery of Dr. Rohit Prasad in Aster Hospital. In the year January 2020, I have undergone the operation in the hospital. I was admitted for 8 days in the hospital and I stayed in Bangalore for the rest of the 10 to 15 days in Bangalore. And the operation, I was told, operation was successful. It was tried in the hospital about the functioning of the cochlear. Doctor was appreciating about the working and my response. Thereafter, I have come here occasionally, annually 2-3 times for getting the checkup of the working of the cochlear. Now I have completed 2 years and 6 months, and it is just like a child who learns day by day the things of speak and hearing. Like that, I have developed the hearing, and today I am able to interact with the people. And it is because of I feel that sometimes that it is my rebirth. I feel that it is my rebirth. There was a total loss. I was sleeping in the bed only during the loss of my hearing. Now this is I feel that it is my new life. I am able to interact with my friends, my relatives and my clients also. So I must extend my grateful thanks to the hospital, to Dr. Rohit Prasad and his team of technicians who were kind enough to, who have encouraged me every time to come to Bangalore for checking. They have not taken even a day. Every time, whenever I phoned to him, he was there to help me and he used to call me for the checking. And doctor was taking me personally. He used to check as if it's my personal son. He has taken me he has given me a good life and I must be grateful during my life for his good work.
So that's very nice to hear about this, Mr. Sahadev Bobati, that you have been doing well and going well forward after your surgery. What is your advice to senior citizens who have such a health issue wherein they are not able to hear and they need a solution? What is your advice to them?
Dear doctor, most of the senior citizens are afraid of the operations because this is a very delicate and very risky operation, they think. I have undergone the operation. I was also under that impression one day because he showed me this one instrument and all that at the process of the operation in the hospital. I was also afraid. My children, my family was also afraid about it was pertaining to the very sensitive organ of the body, that is the internal ear. And taking this one cochlear implant attaching to the skull, it was very risky one. We felt, myself, my family, we were also not afraid of the operation. But when I undergone the operation, I did not feel anything. It was just a minor operation. I did not feel any problem with the operation. And it is a good advice for my colleagues, my friends and senior citizens. They can avail this opportunity. They can take this operation without any fear. They can convince the family. They can approach the doctor who is always ready to help and advise the people. I am told that the government of Karnataka is giving free implant to the junior children of the certain age. And similarly, I request the authorities to take the senior citizens in the same category and help them to come forward for the operations, which is a very simple operation, very successful operation, very useful operation to the senior citizens particularly, who are spending their lives in different way without the proper hearing aids and proper hearing this one. So I advise my friends, I have advised already my senior citizen group in Belgaum. We have got the group of senior citizens also. I have shown my operation. Recently we had our postgraduate classmates meet at Karnataka University Zoology Department. There are about 70 postgraduate retired my classmates in department. I have shown openly this operation. During the last meet, I was unable to speak to them, telling that I was totally deaf. This time I have shown this one operation, the instrument and this cochlear processor and all that. They were known technically because they are zoology students, and everybody was happy about this one. And 2-3 people have decided to go for this operation. I have given the address of my Dr. Rohit Prasad. One Mr. Kamal, my classmate, she met me in the university only, there only. She has taken all the details for her father. They may come to the doctor very shortly. So it is my advice to all my friends, all my colleagues and relatives. I have already the Cochlear also, and I request them to go forward without any fear and avail this opportunity for the rest of the life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your advice.